Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix not everyone can message this account on Facebook Messenger. So, if you encounter the message not everyone can message this account on the Facebook Messenger, it usually indicates that the account has restricted who can send them messages, and it may be due to privacy settings, platform limitations, or account status. And through this video, I'm going to show you the steps to fix this issue. So the first one, you can check the privacy settings of the account. So the account you are trying to message may have adjusted its privacy settings to limit messages. If it is for other account, they should open their messages settings and go to the settings and privacy. So click on these three lines and click on the gear icon and scroll down until you find the privacy and safety, and that will be this who can reach you, and you can tap on the message delivery, so you can choose who can message you. Decide whether message requests go to your chat list, your message request folder, or whether to receive them at all. You can set them in here, so adjust who can message them as friends of friend or everyone. Okay, and the second one, you can try adding the account as a friend. So if the account has restricted message to friends only, you can send a friend request first on Facebook applications. So once the request is accepted, you can try message them again. The third one, you can verify if the account is a business or a creator account. So for pages or public account, like some business creators or public figures, limit messages to followers only, and if applicable, follow the account to gain a message access. But for business pages, ensure that the accounts allow messages under settings, general, and messaging. The fourth one, you can avoid being flagged as spam. So Facebook may block your ability to message if you've sent too many messages in a short time and your account has been flagged for spammy behavior. So to fix it, you can just wait 24 up to 48 hours before trying again, and avoid sending repetitive or promotional content. You can also try to update your Facebook application. Check for the updates on the App Store or Play Store and update the Facebook and Messenger apps. And you can also check for temporary restriction. So if either you or the account has been temporarily restricted, such as due to reported behavior, messaging may not be allowed. So you can review any notifications under the settings and support inbox. And you can also report the issue to Facebook. So if you suspect the restriction is a glitch, you can go to the Facebook help and support and report this problem. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.